Let there be light! Woohoo! Woo! Scangrip Line Light. In this video we're going to tell you all about setting it up, where to use it and what your benefits are. So watch this video to the end for maximum lighting. So, welcome to Wheeler Detailers. My name is Martin.
I'm Chris.
And last time we made a video together, it was about ending the chemical guys cooperation. Today we're gonna show you a product preview video, and in this case of the brand new Scangrip Line Lights. Chris has them over here, and we're gonna do the complete unboxing, mounting the Scangrip Line Lights, and also showing you a couple of demo applications on where you can use it under the car and around the car. So Chris, can you show me a little bit what you have over here?
So I have here the line lights. This is the 120 version. I have the magnets, so you can put it on the bridge. On the bridge.
This is like a clamp, which is
bam. And you can also turn around. Then we have
the cables.
The cables. And the book. Yeah.
Okay.
So we need this one, and then a line light. Some spare parts and a line light.
It's actually kind of heavy. 2000 lumens.
It's enough.
Is that a lot?
For
Chris is the technical guy here. So
yes.
So everything you have over here.
Yes.
But you also have some other stuff. You mentioned like the dimmer.
Yeah, we have the dimmer over here. You can use a dimmer. With this part you can turn.
Okay, cool.
It's nice. You can put it all. It's also a magnet.
Ah.
Oh, it's heavy.
Yeah.
So you can put this one. We have also a tool when you work around the car. You can put it on your windows. So I have here the spare parts. You have two of these. It's for back of the light, and you can connect them with another light. So it's not one light. You can put a small one over here, 160 or longer your work light is, or more lights you can connect.
That's cool.
Only thing is, when you connect three of the big ones, you have a bigger driver. So check first if you have everything. Then this part, open this part. You put this one over the driver, and this one needs to go over here. So then you can put this one over here. Oh. Yes. Then we need put a block. You only need a small screwdriver to use that. And I will take it from my new tool trolley.
Yeah. Megan, let's show Chris
my new tool trolley. I'm so happy with it. So
it's like a kid in the playground.
Yeah, this is really nice. This is really nice. So I take one small one. Look inside. Look inside. Oh. Everything will, and you need to put it in with your text above. Super heavy. I like this.
It's like Chris. It feels like it's his birthday.
Yeah, but it's not. So you connect the cables. Get it correct. Yes. Then you can see inside also one of them. You can open it. Here he is. I take a little bit more space. Put this one over here. Again, screw. You can connect this one
like a male-female connection.
Yeah. Connect it over here. So now you have, if you want another one over this side, you do the same with a small cable over here. If not, this is a stop. So you have two of these and one is complete closed.
Ah, okay.
So turn it on this side. And then you're ready.
How does this thing normally come up? Or is this not the good question at the moment?
At this moment, not. You need to put it between here, you cut it.
Yeah?
You put one line over here and the other one goes over here. So this one going in, the other one goes out.
Ah, okay.
It's the same connection.
Okay.
Now these parts you don't you don't need. You put it back in the plastic bag. So put it on a place where you can find it. So maybe in the future you want to connect another one and you can do it, but you have the spare parts. So we put the magnet over here. Now you can put a light over here. Also you can put it up, put it down.
Shall I plug it in?
Yeah, plug it in.
Easy that it unplugs, so you have to be careful.
In the first time, yes, but later you put here a stop on it. This is a stop on it. You put this one into this part. It's a rubber ring. Then you connect the stop on it. Now it's connect.
Yeah, shall I give it a try?
Yeah, try.
Let me put the plug in and see where we go.
Oh, there's light. I'll bring you the light.
Oh. Okay, looks cool. Yeah, just in short, Chris, how do you see the benefits of this product?
The benefit under the car is you have light. You can see everywhere.
That's also a good one, yeah. I think it's a very handy tool. So I have to give Scangrip that they always think about great products.
That's correct.
Hardly any reclamations, good quality. I do see the advantage. You can actually also twist the line light. Place where you want the light to be. Yeah, so that's a big plus.
Where do you see the application of the Scangrip Line Light?
Well, to light up areas that normally are dark. So undercarriage, wheels, wheel arches, engine bay, but also with the suction cap. Also other parts, maybe on the interior of the car. So you can also choose a shorter version instead of this 120 version. So I think, yeah, detailers, car washers, truck detailers, car wrappers,
PPF installation.
Yeah, so it's a big plus. Collision repair companies.
Yeah.
I do see a big plus for this tool. There's a price tag, but it will definitely work and make your work more comfortable. And maybe also with better quality because you just see more than you did. This was our product review on the Scangrip Line Lights. We hope you like this video. If you even want to see more videos on lighting, especially with detailing, check out this video here. And see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
Bye.